It's Caroline here. I'm the least able of all of the 3 grow bags at gardening, apparently. And I live in Scotland too, so the weather's pretty shit up here, which means I'm only just planting my potatoes today. Lots of people in England have already planted them, but if you haven't, you're by no means too late at all. You've got another good few weeks to plant them. I'm planting pink fir apples, lovely waxy potato. I've got this thing because I've got a bad back, so I like to be up, but it wouldn't matter if this is your veg patch, the same things apply. So I'm putting in, notice I haven't chitted them, by the way. Elaine won't approve. I didn't chit them last year. They seem to work out fine. So if you can't follow all the advice, honestly, it doesn't mean to say that they're not still going to grow perfectly well. So I'm getting them down in there. I'll plant up these 2 rows, and 1 pack, to be honest, will do this perfectly. So you probably can't see, but that's sort of the distance I've got them at. Now, I grew these last year, and here's a bag that's been sitting in that shed all winter long. I've been dipping into it for meals through the winter, and look, they're as nice now as the day that I lifted them in the autumn of last year. So I would say, do you know, if you could turn over your whole garden to potatoes, or even grow them in the verge outside, just get a bit of butter and some salt, and I think that's pretty much your food security sorted for the year if you love potatoes as much as I do. Oh, yeah, tanker full of red wine, I would say. That really is you sorted. 12 months of the year. Anyway, it's Mother's Day today, so cheers. Very good health to you and happy digging.